Hi, I'm Kim from Chicago Children's Museum, and today we are going to tinker with dominoes to make our own domino run. So for this challenge, you really just need two things: dominoes, or things that can be dominoes, and your own goal for your domino run. So your goal is simply what you want your domino run to do. It could be simple. I want my domino run to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dominoes. Your goal can be complex. I want my domino run to go 6 feet, go up a ramp, jump off a table. The cool thing about tinkering is you can pick your own goal. It's not your parents' goal, not your teacher's goal, but your own goal. And what I love about making my own goal is I don't have to compare it to others. They're working on their goal, I'm working on my goal. For me, I want to start off with a simple goal, and maybe I'll get more complex. I find when I'm tinkering, it's easier for me if I say my goal out loud, or if I write down my goal, helps me stay more focused. My goal is my domino run will go 6 feet. So here I am working on my domino run. You'll see I changed some dominoes, did some practice runs, and changed what I placed my dominoes on. I'd love to see your own domino runs and hear about your own goals. Tag us here to show us. Bye-bye.